Are you looking for the best cordless immersion blender? In this video, we will break down the top 4 cordless immersion blender. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. All-clad cordless rechargeable stainless steel hand blender. This may be one of the easiest immersion blenders to clean since there's no cord to worry about, and the shaft removes from the body of the blender. The removable shaft also gives you options for storage in small spaces where the full blender might not fit as well. It is important to note, however, that the components of this blender are hand wash only. This is the cordless version of the blender we reviewed previously. This is a high-powered immersion blender with a variable 5-speed setting, so you'll have complete control of the texture of your refried beans, soups, or pureed vegetables. You can even use this for a quick chop of nuts since the blade shroud gives you plenty of space. This cordless model has the same power as the previously reviewed blender at 600 watts, but you will pay a premium for the convenience of cutting the cord. It comes with a recharging base that doubles as upright storage housing. While this doesn't include any accessories that you might find with other blenders, a mini chopper and a whisk are available for purchase if you need those options. At number 2. KitchenAid Cordless Variable Speed Hand Blender. This blender offers excellent performance with the added convenience of its maneuverability. Because it's powered by a battery, remembering to fully charge the device before you need it is key. For home cooks who don't want to be limited by power outlets, KitchenAid's immersion blender can handle a range of blending tasks without the hassle of a cord. It's designed with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which is ready to use after a 10-minute charge and easily lasted through our tests. The cordless KitchenAid gave a solid performance across all 3 tests. It blended soup in just 35 seconds, a smoothie in 40, and whipped up mayo with 4 pulses and 52 seconds of blending. KitchenAid also includes a removable cover for the blender head to protect non-stick cookware from scratches, which we thought was a nice touch. The blender's variable speeds were controlled by a trigger. The harder you push, the greater the speed. That made it easy to pulse ingredients, but did present a challenge in keeping a consistent speed throughout blending. It felt comfortable to hold and had an easy-to-use safety switch, which is important since it doesn't have the barrier of plugging it in to turn it on. At number 3. Cuisinart CSB 400 CD Cordless and Rechargeable SmartStick Hand Blender. This powerful little blender is a handheld device that you can dip into pots, cups, and more to blend up tasty meals. At 10 inches in length, this blender can reach into deep pots yet isn't bulky. The blender has 5 different speeds, so you can select your ideal blending style, for everything from soft-cooked potatoes to frozen ice cubes. The button design allows for intuitive blending with both pulsing and constant running options. The rechargeable battery has 20 minutes of continuous run time and eliminates the need for any cord. You can recharge the battery from full to empty in about 2 hours. At number 4. Wearing Commercial WSB38X. The blending shaft is 7 inches long and constructed entirely of stainless steel, which provides exceptional strength and durability. It is also detachable and secure for use with your dish machine, making cleanup a breeze. It is equipped with LED indicator lights that display the current speed setting. Additionally, the power button will be bright blue, making it simple to turn the blender on and off as needed. The ergonomic casing of the blender features grooves on each side for easy handling. Additionally, it includes a convenient storage or transportation case that helps protect the blender while on the move or in storage. A battery charging dock is also included to keep the battery pack fully charged and ready to go. It features a quick 1.5-hour charging circuit that controls your team on track and the blender on hand for virtually any blending task, from a small batch of mashed potatoes to a specialty fruit puree. The Wearing WSB38X Cordless Lithium Immersion Blender provides unmatched convenience, mobility, and versatility. With its variable speed settings ranging from 5K to 13K RPM, easily blend, mix, and puree your favorite recipes. This model is quieter than comparable blenders due to the brushless DC motor. This advanced handheld blender is powered solely by a powerful 10.8-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack, making it ideal for blending through thinner soups and sauces. Due to its cordless design, it is an indispensable blender for caterers, culinary demonstrators, and the typical back-of-house team members who are constantly shuffling from one workstation to the next.